What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on a bob with feet and cornrows. So the first step is to grease her scalp. This product right here is a product that I created. I've been using this product on her for about almost 2 months now, and so far we are seeing a difference in fullness and also in length. So yay for that. I will be sure to give you more information on my hair update video. So once I have greased her scalp, then I will take the grease and go throughout her ends, also place it around her weak spots and massage it in. Once I've done that, then I will proceed with the braiding. So for feet in braids, I start off as if I'm about to braid her natural hair. So I'm going to take her natural hair, part it in 3, and start corn rolling. And as I corn roll maybe 3 or 4 times down, then I will add a tiny piece of hair. Because her braids will be small, I'm going to use small amounts of hair. And then I will braid down again and add more hair. To add the hair in, I'm collecting the hair in my pointing finger and my thumb. The bottom end of the strand is going to be braided into the braid, and the upper end of the strand is going to hang out until I looped it down 1 time, and then I'll take the top end and feed it in to the corn roll as well. Woo child, my nails. Moving along. And then the next step will be to box braid. And with box braiding, I take the hair, I split the hair into 2. One side of the 2 will be thicker than the other side. I will take each strand and flip them across one another. And then I will proceed to box braid her hair. And once I'm done braiding the hair, I will take my lighter and I will burn the braid wherever I want the length to stop. And I will do that all over until it's complete. If you would like to create a tight bob to where it curls under on the ends, you must tight stitch as you're braiding. And if you don't know what tight stitched is, I will leave a video link down in my description box. You can check that out more in depth on what a tight stitch braid looks like and how to create it. Now I just want to add that her hair is very fine and soft, and the softer the hair, the finer the hair, the more you have to try to work on your grip because they will slip and slide. So this is her finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and if you have not already done so, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell on the side. Bye.